One of the things that came up a couple of years ago was just the idea of getting people to explore some of the, I think of them as sort of hidden treasures of the campus. So when I was talking to Kate about that one time, she mentioned the sanctuary, and I said, "What's that?" And she told me about it, and then said that she and Mark would be, happy to try and lead a tour out here. So we're here for the second one. We did one last summer, did one this fall. We'll probably do one this winter, and we hope to maybe try to do these seasonally to try and just show people some of the beauty that is the Amherst College campus. Generally, the tours will be listed each time we do a series of trainings. Usually it's in the fall, in the spring, and then sometimes in the summer. And there'll be an announcement sent out to everybody on campus, and the tours are generally going to be listed there.
It's not just the campus and the buildings and the stuff they see every day. There's a lot more to the campus. On today's tour, it was about a 45-minute tour. We try to keep them half hour, 45 minutes so people can do it in their lunch hour. And today we pointed out some of the invasive species that were easy to show up this time of year with their certain fall colors. And we saw the hawk and just whatever we kind of see along the way that might come up.
Most of the people that use the trails have connections to Amherst College. The students use them for relaxing. They're used for cross-country running, and the staff use them for a leisurely walk at lunchtime or whenever they have a chance to get out. The birdhouse is out in the middle of the sanctuary field. They're used by Ethan Klotfelter for research. He's not doing research currently right now. The birds are still living in them, all kinds of birds that frequent the fields. There's always something going on out there. It's just a great place. You can go every day and see something different, and come back the next day and it'll be a different place and different things going on.